welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. As you know, this video is not new to my channel. We're going to do my top 5 fragrances from my September tray. So let's get right into it. So while these fragrances are in no particular order, I had to start off with probably the fragrance that I wore the most in the month of September. And you all know, because I probably talked about it the most on my channel for last month, and that is Gabrielle Chanel. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. If you love a good, beautiful white floral, yellow floral, vanilla fragrance, oh my goodness, so good. I mean, you have ylang ylang, jasmine, tuberose is in this, but all of those combined together with vanilla and sandalwood and orange blossom, I believe, is in this as well. It is a magnificent fragrance, right? If you're looking for something to wear to work, an event, this can go the masses. And I had such a great time with this fragrance. I had such a great time layering this fragrance, combining it with other fragrances. Like, I had a time. I used her quite a bit, and I might have to check her out maybe even in December. I feel like this also gives me like beautiful holiday, when you have holiday events, Christmas parties. I've gotten many of compliments, longevity, chef's kiss. Like, I felt like this at first, before. I don't know if I thought that the longevity was good, but I don't know what it is. I don't know if the moisturizer or the moisturizer is moisturizing. I don't know, but this really lasts, and again, got compliments. So I adored this, loved this down in the month of September. I would highly recommend Gabrielle Chanel. Has to be a part of your collection, especially if you're a white floral, yellow floral, vanilla type of gal. Next up, another white floral, but lean citrus, right? It was a transitional fragrance. I wanted to get some of my white florals out of the way that maybe I wouldn't wear in the fall or late fall, winter season. And so I wanted to get my last wears of Montal, and this is Daydream. So good, but you have to love a white floral fragrance. If you do not like a white floral fragrance, if jasmine gets on your nerves, maybe even orange blossom gets on your nerves, neroli gets on your nerves, if something like that just irks your life, right? I definitely wouldn't recommend this. You have tiara flower in this as well. Like, if white floral kind of hits you not in the best ways, you might want to approach this with caution. Definitely don't blind buy, but approach this with caution. This might not be your type of vibe, but if you enjoy that type of profile, fragrance profile, beautiful, superb. I enjoyed her down in the month of September. I did not pair this fragrance with another fragrance yet. The standalone atmosphere that it gave lasts you a lifetime, okay? This sticks to your body. I feel like Montal fragrances just does that, right? It just sticks to your body. Well, the ones that I've tried. Okay, let's just go there. But I feel like the longevity is really good. Projection, great. I really enjoy this as a transitional fragrance, so that when the leaves is now falling, right? I feel like we're in that crosswind of like coldness, warm. It's warmer than I've experienced October in the past, but I'm enjoying this in between weather. I'll just call it that. But I'm enjoying it, and I absolutely enjoyed this fragrance, Montal Daydreams, in the month of September for sure. Next up, what can I say about this coffee pink pepper kind of soft spicy fragrance? She is Miss Popular, and yeah, this is Ebony Woods from Zara. Yeah, this was so beautiful. Now, I did not wear this fragrance as often as I wore like Gabrielle Chanel, as often as I wore Daydream, but I will say, when I did wear it, I did get compliments. And I don't think just because of the coffee note, it did not overpower, right? I feel like it gave this spice, like this holiday spice that was sexy and just grabbing. This very economically priced Zara fragrance lasts like, it can be up there, okay, with your niche, I said it, with your niche fragrances, with your, just everyday fragrance. Like, this is a goer. You're like designer fragrances. This can rock with the best of them. This is so beautiful. And you know what? I think it's the cypress, but it has this kind of leafy green spice in this, but it does not like throw me off where I'm like, okay, running through the trees, I'm not interested. It just fits so well with that coffee, that pink pepper, that grapefruit. It just sits so well. And oh, you all, I enjoy this so much. So if you have not been able to get your hands on a Zara fragrance, you're like, sis, I'm not interested in a Zara fragrance, I would try Ebony Wood to see if that kind of tickles your fancy. Because when I say this was beautiful and perfect for a transitional fragrance, I didn't want to be all heavy coffee, but I wanted to give spice and kind of that vibe, that fall vibe. And that's exactly what this brought. I would recycle this over and over and over. I might even cheat and grab it over and over again this season. You might see her again, but it's just that good, and I would highly recommend that. Yeah, if you don't have Ebony Wood, consider adding her to your collection. Next up, oh my goodness, this Lily of the Valley saffron caramel, okay, marshmallow type of fragrance, cognac, right? This warm, spicy, fresh, citrus, beautiful gourmand fragrance is everything. Like, it's one that I would have to have for a lifetime. Okay, it is a lifer. I love the smell. I love that it's caramel and marshmallow. It's like sappy sweet, but also fresh. I am talking about the House of Beau. Yes, boom, bomb. Amazing. If you have it, you know. Okay, you know that you know. You all, it's so, like, when this runs out, kid you not, I will get me a bigger bottle. Sure will. Okay, and pairing, okay, and not comparing, but pairing this with Gabrielle. Like, when I tell you, I paired Gabrielle Chanel with just about everything I'm talking about on this list. I did not pair it with the Daydream, but just about everything on this list, this was paired with. But when I say pairing, sitting alone, it is divine, okay? I love this gourmand, beautiful. Oh, it's heaven. It's a lifer for me. I adore this fragrance. It's like, if I had a piece of paper, I would just like write a love letter to it and just say thank you. Like, it is, I am so in love. I'm addicted. And love is, it's everything. Okay, everything that I like. This would be me. This is me in the bottle. Okay, deliciousness, fresh, sexy. At times I could be very awkward. But either way, this is so good and divine. Highly would recommend, okay? My male brothers, my cousins out there, if you have a boo, okay, get Boom Bond and say, like, you are the boo to my Boom Bond. Yeah, make it work. Make it work. I try to give you a little tip. Make it work. But this is a great fragrance if you're looking for a holiday gift and you don't know what to get your boo bae. House of Beau Boom Bond is going to put her in a great mood. And you know what I mean, okay? So this is Christmas gift, okay? Thank your sis later. This is Christmas gift, okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, the vanillas of all vanillas. You got juniper berry, I believe, is in this. Nutmeg is in this. Like, the fragrance, I feel like for the fall season, it's like foundation. I know you have it. Some people love it. Some people just don't like it. Some people like this brand. Some people are like, stop talking about it. We're sick of hearing about this brand. But all the while, it's definitely on my top 5 from my September tray, and that is MFK, Gentle Fluidity Gold. So classy, beautiful, vanilla. It gets better over time. I feel like as the darker blend of this vanilla and the juice and the juniper berry, like all of the blends in this, as time goes on, this just keeps getting better in my humble opinion, okay? I don't know how you feel about your bottle, but I feel like this is such a classic winner. A fragrance you can wear for anything, like absolutely anything. I can chill in the house with this. I can be bougie with this, right? I can be casual. I even feel like I can go to the gym with this if I'm trying to show out. I feel like I can go to the gym with this, right? It is so magnificent. I would highly recommend. This is another great gift. Gentlemen, cousins, bruh. This is another great gift to give to someone, whether it be a family member, your significant other. I feel like this can also go unisex, right? So this is such a beautiful vanilla fragrance, especially for the fall, winter, really any season. This had to be on my September top 5 because I kept reaching for it, okay? And rightfully so. Like, in my opinion, like, put some respect on her name, okay? Rightfully so, that I would reach for this fragrance. Are we here? Are we together? Like, I would definitely reach for her. So no surprise there. And I wonder what your thoughts are about MFK. So sound it off in the comment section. I would love to know about, like, do you love her? Do you not? Is this a great vanilla scent in your opinion? Or like, are you just over it? Like, sound off in the comments. Let me know all the deets and details on your thoughts on that one. Okay. Well, that's all, fam, for my top 5 from my September tray. What were you rocking in the month of September, okay? I know I'm late, but it's okay. It's okay. Just come back from vacation. We got to get caught up. It's cool. But let me know, what were you rocking out with in September? I would love to know, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoy this content, okay? Come on, let the family grow. Okay, we want to grow. We want a little growing. Well, a lot of growing if we could do that. But anyway, make sure that you're good to yourself, fam. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.